Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host, Crypto Chester. You've probably already guessed what we're doing the video on today. It's PNUT, the one and only PNUT. Okay, we know how well PNUT did here in this run, and I will be breaking this down here from a technical analysis standpoint, looking at how we can make some money trading this asset and where this asset is sort of heading in the future. Okay, so without further ado, let's get straight into this update. So we're going to start off with a brief overview of PNUT and how it's been performing in the last day, 7 days, day, week, and month. Okay, so the last day up around 1.69%, great start, and the last 7 days actually down 22%. Absolute free fall here from these zones. Been a bloodbath for all the PNUT holders out there, and in the last month, get ready for it, it's down 28%. It's not good at all. Breaking lows yet again here. Not good for this asset. It's looking like there is an opportunity to make a lot of money here trading this in the future. Okay, so I will be showing you guys that very, very shortly indeed. Definitely something to really be sinking your teeth into. But if we look at the overall yearly chart, this thing obviously did really, really well, and then hitting like a $2 billion market cap and then just dying basically once all the hype went. I don't think that this thing is like over. Okay, I think there is some leg room here for growth, but you have to take into consideration this is obviously listed on a lot of exchanges here, so a lot of exchanges would have actually sort of bought up a lot of this supply, and if they see the potential dying for a project like this that kind of has its own life cycle here, it's very likely that these exchanges start to really sell off an asset like this. Okay, and that will obviously hurt the price of this token itself, right? And currently trading at $144 million. Let's go over to the chart and let's see a potential trade and where we can make money trading this asset. Before we do that, guys, I want to talk to you quickly about Best Wallet. Now, Best Wallet is super unique. It's a great utility. It's a Web3 wallet like MetaMask and like Phantom. But what they've done here, they've created their own token and they're launching it. They've already raised $11 million, but they're launching it to support an ecosystem. The ecosystem is based around a contactless card that you have on your phone, okay, that holds your crypto, your Web3 wallet on your phone that holds your crypto, but you can use it to pay for things using your like Visa or MasterCard, but using your crypto. Okay, so contactless payments using your phone, using crypto. Okay, and this is what the pre-sale is all about here, and it is basically raised to support this ecosystem and to basically launch this best token as well. So there's a massive opportunity to make money is why I'm doing this. Okay, so you can see here it's already rated 4.5 stars here on Google Play Store and the App Store. They already have 100,000 users as well, guys. The last project that we saw with a real utility, a real use case, and over 100,000 users was Jupiter Decentralized Exchange. They launched their own coin. The thing went from $20 million to $2 billion literally in a couple of days, right? That is what I think is going to be happening here with Best Wallet token. They've already got the use case. They've already got the community. They've already got the funding. It's green flags all over in my book, guys. I'll leave the link in the description to this project so you guys can go check it out. But without further ado, let's get right back into the PNUT video. Okay, so you can see here we're going to be starting off here on the weekly and just look at this absolute bloodbath of a project. Okay, now what is the first thing that you see? The first thing that I see here is the floor price. Okay, the floor price currently resting in this roughly area of around 13.35 cents. Okay, that is the absolute bottom right now, and you can see we haven't really tested that since basically February 2025. Okay, so if we do see us dump down any more, it's quite likely that we do test this low again. If we break that low, we don't know how low we can go after that point. Okay, it's not great, but we need to be vigilant here because there's a 4-hour volume weighted ATR band, and we know how this bad boy reacts, guys. We just see a 10, 20, 30% move from that to basically see a buyback. Okay, so if we are going to see that, I would expect around a 14% move back up to this area and back up to this nice point. But if that doesn't happen, guys, then we should actually bounce here. The momentum from this zone has been strong in every other occasion here. It has been. So it's quite likely that we do bounce from this zone. Let me know if you guys are going to be trading this. The bounce for me would consist roughly 20%, maybe 37%, depends really here. But overall, it's not the cleanest move in the world, and it's not the nicest thing to be trading in comparison to the rest of the market. The ideal scenario for me, if I am trading this right now, is you can see we've clearly got a descending triangle chart pattern here. But if we're bouncing and we're coming back to reclaim this area, it's quite likely that we do see a break to the upside. If the break to the upside comes into fruition, that would be the measure move. It would consist of 36% up to the volume weighted ATR band on the 4 hour. Okay, so stars are sort of aligning for that move as well. There's a couple of things you can be doing. You can be shorting it, you can be longing it, but right now it's a no trade zone. We're just very unpredictable with this market on where this thing could be going. Okay, that is gonna be it from me, guys. Thank you ever so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Before I go, just going to give you guys a little reminder, go check out Best Wallet. This pre-sale is not going to last forever. We can make a lot of money like trading this and getting involved with this, but that is for you guys to do your own research on. Full disclosure, I bought big bags of this. I'm super bullish. I think this thing is going to absolutely explode. I'm looking for that trade, that Jupiter decentralized exchange trade that I did before, which is like $20 million to $2 billion. Very, very excited for that. And I think Best Wallet is lining up perfectly for that. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. Links are in the description. Peace out for now, and I'll see you in the next one.